pickled red onions recipe. Pickled red onions are a quick and easy condiment that add a tangy crunch and a burst of flavor to almost any dish. They pair perfectly with tacos, burgers, salads, sandwiches, grilled meats, and more. With just a few simple ingredients, you can make a jar of vibrant pink pickled onions at home in under 30 minutes. Ingredients: 2 medium red onions, 2 cups white vinegar, 2 cups water, a 1/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons salt, 2 garlic cloves, sliced, 8 to 10 black peppercorns. Instructions: peel the red onions and slice them into thin rings or strips. Slice the garlic cloves. In a clean glass jar, add the sliced onions, garlic, and black peppercorns. In a saucepan, combine the water, vinegar, sugar, and salt. Bring to a boil, stirring until the sugar and salt dissolve. Pour the hot vinegar mixture over the onions, making sure they are fully submerged. Seal the jar with a tight-fitting lid and let it cool to room temperature. Once cooled, refrigerate the jar. The onions will be ready to enjoy in a few hours, but taste even better after 24 hours. Storage: keep refrigerated. Pickled red onions stay fresh for up to 2 to 3 weeks. Serving suggestions: add to tacos, burritos, or quesadillas. Top burgers, hot dogs, or sandwiches. Toss into salads and grain bowls. Serve alongside grilled meats or kebabs. Pro tip: for a flavor twist, you can add a cinnamon stick, bay leaf, or chili flakes to your jar for extra aroma and spice.